Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV and it is early in the morning and I am up trimming my hair.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
I just went over my hair, I went over the sides today, and I went up a little more, and you can't even tell, but a lot of you all are interested in my hair journey, so I am just showing you all what I am doing on a regular basis. So this is where we are. I cut it this morning. Come on now. Let me make sure y'all can see. And y'all, it don't take a lot. It don't take a lot for you to keep your hair trimmed. For you to keep your hair trimmed up. I told y'all I wasn't going in the top. I want to show you all my hair. All of my hair is healthy, but let me just show you the top. Can y'all see the unevenness of it? Well, that's just hair growing. There's no sense of cutting that off. As long as my hair is healthy, then I know it's going to grow, and it's going to grow uneven, so I'm not, worried about that. And y'all see how fast it is growing. That's why when y'all be asking me how often do a texturizer last, if I was to do a texturizer again, even though I just did my texturizer March 1st, I would only put it around the sides. I would just put it around the sides, right in here. Okay, I wouldn't even go in here because we're not cutting off through here. So that's why I say y'all have a plan. You don't have to texturize your whole head. You know what I'm saying? And by this being low, why texturize that? We have went over different products that can handle the hair when it's really low like that. So I know that the more that this grow up, the more that I'm gonna have to come in here like this. I know I am, because this hair on the side is gonna fall over. We will be doing a series just so I can keep y'all informed about what's going on with my hair, because a lot of you all want to know what's going on with this texturizing, if you should do it, what is it going to look like, is your hair going to fall out? It all depends on how you take care of your hair, what you don't do, and things of that nature. But you know your hair. Long as, for me, I am going to keep my hair clipped and moisturized. And y'all, we are only using one product that has been carrying us for a minute now. And yep, let me show you. And it's this. It's the Miss Jessie Coiling Custard. I told y'all how I wake my hair up, how I treat my hair every morning. But you know what, y'all? So we can switch it up. I am going to show you all what I am going to use on my hair today after I wash it, because I'm about to wash it. And I am going to put a rinse on it, a color rinse. Now, you all be asking me about box colors. I cannot tell you all, what to do. I'm showing you my hair experience because I know my hair. Now, with a box color, I don't really mess with box colors no more, y'all, because I know my hair can't take a box color and, a texturizer. I don't care how long I wait, come on. So I'd rather do one or the other. So I am going to just be doing rinses on my hair. That is good enough for me. And today, since we already know what Miss Jessie's Coiling Custard is going to do, I put this on once, guys, and I can go and style my hair with just water, waking it up 3 to 4 days. And this, we've been having this for a minute, y'all, for months, and it's still somewhat full. It is. Do I need that much sideburns or this? Do I need that much? I really probably don't. Let's take that off. just take a little of that off. We don't need that. We got enough sideburns. And yeah, see, I'm sneaking up on my haircut, y'all, a little bit at a time. Forgive yourself before you start. Be like, man, it's possible that I could make a mistake. Yep, and it's possible that they can make a mistake on your head too. So why don't you just do, if y'all see my, I don't even know if y'all can see that hair on my shirt. Man, I'm telling you, this is how, you know, you get more familiar with how you want to cut your hair. Y'all, So let me go and wash this hair and dye it. Y'all, I keep this filled with filtered water. So what we are doing now is just spraying our hair down. We are spraying our hair down because we are about to wash it. I use the sulfate-free Cantu. It's a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. See that sulfate-free on there? And as y'all see, I'm here in my dressing room. And y'all, I am about to wash my hair. I sure am. Because I got my water in there. See that? This is what your girl be doing. And y'all, I'm telling you, I have unlocked the key. Y'all, just pay attention to what your hair needs. Your hair probably do not need a lot. We probably doing overkill and doing too much. So y'all, I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash it out. I gotta go make my filtered water to be able to rinse it out. I am gonna apply my rinse. And when I come back, y'all, maybe I'll come back and let y'all see me style it, but it will most definitely be colored. So while I am gone, hype this video, comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all when I get back from washing my hair and coloring it. This is my rinse. It is a natural black by Regina, semi-permanent. I don't see me put this in my head 1,000 times. Okay, so we got that on there. All right, we are back. The color is washed out of our hair. Y'all, this is a t-shirt. Remember I told y'all a t-shirt or a microfiber towel is better for your hair. So this is what it's looking like. Let me comb it out. Let me comb it out. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I'm loving it. Okay, all of that is, you know, combed out. What we are going to do now is treat it. This is rosemary water. Y'all know that. All right, that's on there. The next thing we're going to put on is some argan oil strengthen and shine leave-in conditioner. Yeah, we're going to put that on today, y'all. All right, so we have that on. Now, as promised, I'm going to show y'all a different product that you can use for your hair that's going to lock in moisture and bring your curls back. It's Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1. Y'all, it's 14-in-1, and these are all the things that it does for the hair. I'm telling y'all, if y'all are an avid watcher of this channel, y'all know I love this. Because of all the things that we were doing when we were natural, the products that I am going to show you, man, they are good for texturized hair and natural hair. So that is a win-win. So we're going to see what this 14-in-1 is going to do. I have to let it sit, but that is what the hair is looking like, y'all. Look at the hair. So I'm going to let that sit in there while we do something else. Now, this is Echo Style, y'all. This is the olive oil one, and it's maximum hold. It's for all hair types, and it doesn't have any, you know, alcohol in it. That's why I love it. I'm just gonna put a little on my hand, and I like going around the perimeter, you know, with this. Now I'm gonna tell you, I used to put this through my whole head. I sure did. I used to use this, and you still can, to curl up your hair. So we are just going to let all of that sit in. I am just doing my sideburns and everything. I'm just styling the hair. And while I am styling this hair, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see that little cat right there? Hit the cat right there. Yeah. Thumbs up this video. And also comment, like, subscribe, and share, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving the content. And I know to keep bringing it to you. So we ain't going to do a lot with these edges. We just need them to be down. Yes, we do. Just need them to be down. Look like the product is soaking in. Do y'all know how great this would be if this Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1 is going to be good to curl up our hair too? Yes. To show y'all, when I was testing these products, if you want to shape up your hair, but you don't want to cut it all the time, then did you know the different products will give you a tighter or a looser curl? So if you want your hair to look tighter on the sides, this will make my hair tighter on the sides. And I would just put it on my side and it'll look faded all the time. You know, if it ever come down to a point that, you know, I just don't feel like trimming it up. What I will be looking out for, since, you know, we washed our hair, we colored our hair today, we always taking care of our hair. I want to see how long this is going to take to re-moisturize my hair. All right? We want to see how long that is going to take the moisture in to the hair string. All right, guys, well, that is it. This is the way the hair turned out. I am loving it. Now, we got up this morning, we shaped our sides, and then we washed our hair with filter water and sulfate-free shampoo. After doing that, we colored our hair with Beijing Natural Black rinse. It's a rinse, not a box color. And then, guys, we styled our hair with a 14-in-1 Hawaiian silk. Now, we are going to be looking out to see how many times I had to apply this, will it wake up well, and how it's going to moisturize our hair. But right now, this is the way the hair is looking. I am loving it. I would reach for my lipstick, but I already got some on. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. If this video has helped you in any way, y'all know what to do. Hype the videos, comment, like, subscribe, and share, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving my content that I am bringing to you all. Also, guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do everything else. Hacks, facials, walk the weight off, fashion shows, home decor sales, I find. Look, everything else that I love to do,